Hello students, today we are going to discuss about Unit 3 Humidification. Introduction about humidification. Humidification is a classical example for an interface mass transfer and energy transfer. When a gas and pure liquid are brought into intimate contact. What is humidification? The term humidification used to designate a process where the liquid is transferred to gas phase, or an operation that is carried to increase the amount of vapor in a gas stream is known as humidification. What is dehumidification? Dehumidification indicates a process where the transfer is from gas phase to liquid phase, or operation that is carried to reduce the vapor content of a gas stream is known as dehumidification. The matter transfer between phases in both cases is the substance which constitute liquid phase, and it either vaporize or condense, indicating either humidification or dehumidification process. Important terminologies used in humidification. In the terminologies given below, the term vapor is designated by capital A, gas phase is designated by capital B. Saturation refers to any gas vapor composition, while humidity refers specifically to an air-water system. The first terminology, molal absolute humidity. It is defined the ratio between moles of vapor to moles of free gas. It is denoted as capital Y. Capital Y is equal to small ya divided by small yb. Here small ya and small yb is nothing but moles of capital A and moles of capital B. In terms of partial pressure, molal absolute humidity is equal to Pa by Pb. When we are going to introduce Dalton's law, what is Dalton's law? Dalton's law states that the total pressure is equal to summation of partial pressure of the individual component. For this case, we have two components, capital A and B. That's why. So the Pa by Pb. This is the partial pressure of capital A and capital B. So here capital Y is equal to Pa divided by, how will you write the Pb? With the help of Dalton's law, Pt is equal to Pa plus Pb. From that, Pb is equal to Pt minus Pb. So this is the final expression for molar absolute humidity in terms of mole and in terms of pressure. Capital Y is equal to Ya by Yb is equal to Pa by Pb is equal to Pa by Pt minus Pb. Unit of molar absolute humidity, moles of A divided by moles of capital B. So here Ya and Yb, moles of capital A and capital B, Pa and Pb is equal to partial pressure of capital A and B, Pt is equal to total pressure. When the quantities Ya and Yb are expressed in mass. The term is called mass absolute humidity or Krasner humidity. It is denoted as Y dash. So in mathematical form, capital Y dash is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. Students, all of you very familiar about the relationship between number of moles and weight. What is the relationship between number of moles and weight? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. From that, weight is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. Here capital Y is the number of moles or molar absolute humidity. So multiply with molecular weight, that is equal to weight or mass absolute humidity. For our case, Y dash is equal to Y into Ma by Mb. So here what is capital Y? Capital Y is nothing but Pa by Pt minus Pu. So here multiply with molecular weight Ma by Mb. What is the unit of mass absolute humidity? Mass of capital A divided by mass of capital B. Saturated absolute humidity. When the vapor gas mixture is saturated, then the partial pressure becomes equal to the vapor pressure of that substance. What is the meaning of this? At 100% saturation, partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. It is denoted as capital Ys. So in terms of mole, capital Ys is equal to Pa by Pb. That is equal to Pa by Pt minus Pb. So here Pb is equal to Pt minus Pb. So this is from Dalton's law. So here capital Y is nothing but absolute molar humidity. S refer the saturation. One thing is very important here. We are not use the vapor pressure. We have to use only the partial pressure. Why? Because at 100% saturation, partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. Here Pa and Pb is nothing but partial pressure of the component A and component B. Are you clear? Okay. In terms of mass, Ys dash is equal to capital Ys into molecular weight. Molecular weight of the component A and B. So Ys dash is equal to, what is the Ys here? Pa by Pb. Molecular weight Ma by Mb. That is equal to Pa by Pt minus Pa into Ma by Mb. So students, you know the relationship between number of moles and weight. What is the relation number of moles and weight? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. From that, weight is equal to number of moles into molecular weight. Here capital Ys is nothing but, so in terms of moles, so number of moles Pa by Pb, so in terms of pressure, so multiply with molecular weight Ma by Mb. Are you clear or not? Okay. So partial pressure is equal to mole fraction. Yes, you know the relation. Mole percentage is equal to volume percentage is equal to pressure percentage. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Next terminology, dry bulk temperature. It is called dBT. The temperature of the vapor gas mixture recorded by a dry thermometer which is immersed in the mixture is known as dry bulk temperature. Next terminology, relative humidity or relative saturation or percentage RH. It is normally expressed as percentage. It is defined the ratio between partial pressure to vapor pressure at any dry bulk temperature of the mixture. Percentage RH is equal to small pa divided by capital Pa into 100. Here small pa is equal to partial pressure under a given condition. Capital Pa is equal to vapor pressure at any dry bulk temperature of the mixture. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. So this is the formula. Percentage RH is equal to Pa by Pa into 100. One thing is very important, students, here. The notation small pa for this case, partial pressure under a given condition. Capital Pa is equal to vapor pressure at any dBT of the mixture. Percentage saturation or percentage humidity. It is defined as the percentage of humidity under given condition to the humidity under the saturated condition. It is denoted as capital H suffix P. So HP is equal to capital Y by capital YS. Y is equal to molar absolute humidity. YS is equal to humidity under the saturated condition. Are you clear? Okay. Yes. Next terminology, dew point. It is the temperature at which condensation will first occur when the vapor gas mixture is cooled at constant pressure. At this temperature, the gas is saturated with vapor. That is, the partial pressure of the vapor in the mixture equal to the vapor pressure of the liquid at dew point. So the dew point less than or equal to dry bulk temperature. So next terminology, humid heat. The humid heat is denoted as C suffix S. It is the heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass of gas and its accompanying vapor by 1 degree at constant pressure. Cs is equal to Ca into Y dash plus Cb, where Ca and Cb is nothing but specific heat of vapor and gas. Capital Y dash is equal to mass absolute humidity.
Thank you for your attention.